Homeland Security Secretary and Albuquerque native Janet Napolitano made a hometown visit today to unveil the president's new plan to fight drugs along the Mexican border. The strategy includes an increase in intelligence sharing and technology enhancement to monitor drug traffickers. Napolitano says the goal is not to just stop drug smuggling into the U.S., but also to focus on guns and bulk money going south.
We cannot just fight drugs at the border, and we cannot just fight drugs by fighting the drug traffickers. We have to go after the distribution within the United States because it's not just the border that is at risk here.
Napolitano also swore in members of her newly formed Southwest Border Task Force.
Well, New Mexico leaders generally like what they heard today. Jim Winchester, has more on that.
I think she hit the nail on the head in terms of where the emphasis should be.
Lieutenant Governor and Democrat Diane Dennish sees the new counter-narcotics strategy as a good one. She says cooperation is key across the border and within law enforcement agencies. But she also believes the additional money will make a big difference.
In southern New Mexico, it's a technology resource and it's a human resource issue. Some of the grants that are coming our way are going to help us beef up our human resources as well as our technological resources.
And looking at it, there really isn't that much difference.
Bernalillo County Sheriff and Republican Darren White has worked 16 years in counter-narcotics. At one point, he was New Mexico's state drug czar. He says tracking drug money into Mexico is a slightly different tactic, but he believes it's critical to throw our full support and resources behind Mexico's current president, Felipe Calderón, who's taken on the drug cartels.
It would really be upsetting to me to know that we had an opportunity to change the culture in Mexico through President Calderón, and we missed that opportunity. So this is a real critical 3 years.
And both Lieutenant Governor Dennish and Sheriff White say it's really too early to see if this plan will work. Dick?
Okay, Jim, more than $500 million will go into anti-drug efforts along the southwest border next year.